Well, hello there and welcome back. I'm glad you decided to join me today. Today is a gift and I want to extend a warm thank you because you chose to take time out of your life and invested it in watching this video, and to me that means so much. I value you and your time, so thank you, as always. My intention is to deliver high amounts of value in this journey together, so let's jump into it. This is part 7, Achieving True Financial Freedom. If you missed any of the other parts, I encourage you to go back and watch it because these videos were tailor-built on one another, and I certainly wouldn't want you to miss out on any key concepts I've been sharing with you. And by the way, you're not going to want to miss any future videos of value I create for you, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you are notified when we release another valuable, exciting, and educational video. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of Chapter 7 and Achieving True Financial Freedom, let's illustrate what we will learn today with a brief but powerful story. The Choice of Freedom, a short story. Daniel leaned back in his chair, staring out the window at the sunrise. For the first time in years, he felt something unfamiliar. Peace. No rush to clock in, no overwhelming stress about bills, no fear of a looming paycheck. Just freedom. It hadn't always been this way. 5 years ago, Daniel was drowning in financial anxiety. He worked long hours at a corporate job he despised, just to keep up with his mortgage, car payment, and the endless cycle of expenses. Every morning, he felt a pit in his stomach. Is this what life is supposed to be? One afternoon, after another exhausting day, he met his old mentor, Mr. Sullivan, for coffee. "You look drained," the older man observed, stirring his tea. Daniel sighed. "I feel trapped. I make good money, but it never feels like enough. I can't quit, I can't slow down, I feel like I'm running on a treadmill that never stops." Mr. Sullivan smiled knowingly. "That's because you haven't achieved real financial freedom yet." Daniel frowned. "I thought making a 6-figure salary was financial freedom." "Son, financial freedom isn't about how much you make," Mr. Sullivan said. "It's about how much control you have over your time and your choices." That conversation changed everything. Over the next few months, Daniel took a hard look at his finances. He cut unnecessary expenses, started investing wisely, and built multiple streams of income. He detached his self-worth from material success, choosing instead to focus on what truly brought him fulfillment. The more intentional he became with his money, the more choices he gained. He no longer had to work out of necessity. He could work because he wanted to. He no longer felt the pressure to impress others. He was too busy designing a life that actually made him happy. And now, as he sipped his morning coffee on his own terms, he finally understood. Financial freedom isn't an end goal, it's a way of living. This story captures the essence of financial freedom, moving beyond income to control, purpose, and intentional living. Conclusion: freedom is a continuous journey. Financial freedom is not a one-time achievement. It's a continuous journey of making intentional choices. It's about designing a life where money serves you, not the other way around. So that story, my friend, lays the foundation to today's lesson. Chapter 7, Achieving True Financial Freedom. What does financial freedom feel like? It's waking up without money anxiety. It's choosing how you spend your time. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are in control of your life. Financial independence is not the end of the journey. It's the beginning of a life designed on your terms. When you reach this point, money is no longer a source of stress. It's a tool for happiness, security, and impact. Emotional resilience in financial decision-making. True financial freedom requires emotional resilience. Money decisions can be influenced by fear, uncertainty, or past financial traumas. To maintain freedom, you must cultivate a mindset that allows you to make sound financial choices regardless of market fluctuations, societal pressures, or unexpected challenges. Building emotional strength around money. Detach self-worth from net worth. Your financial standing does not define your value as a person. Stay grounded in long-term goals. Avoid reacting impulsively to short-term market volatility or financial setbacks. Develop a growth mindset. View financial mistakes as learning experiences rather than failures. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you can afford more doesn't mean you need more. Designing a life that money enhances, rather than dictates. Money should be a means to an enriched life, not a controlling force that dictates your every move. Financial freedom allows you to make choices that align with your values and passions rather than simply working to sustain expenses. Steps to design your ideal financially free life. Identify your core values. What truly brings you joy and fulfillment? Align your spending with these priorities. Create a flexible budget for life experiences. Allocate funds for travel, hobbies, and passions that enhance your life. Work by choice, not necessity. Financial freedom provides the option to work on meaningful projects, rather than for survival. Cultivate generosity. When money is no longer a stressor, giving back can be one of the most rewarding uses of wealth. How to maintain financial freedom without slipping into old habits. Achieving financial freedom is one thing, sustaining it is another. Without mindful financial habits, it's easy to revert to old patterns that could lead to financial instability. Key strategies to stay financially free. Regular financial check-ins. Keep reviewing your investments, budget, and goals to ensure alignment with your vision. Continue learning and adapting. The financial landscape evolves, and staying informed ensures your strategies remain effective. Avoid emotional spending. Be mindful of spending driven by boredom, stress, or social pressure. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Community influences financial behaviors. Engage with people who prioritize financial responsibility and meaningful living. The emotional foundation of financial freedom. Achieving financial independence is not just about numbers, it's about mindset. The most financially secure individuals cultivate emotional resilience, allowing them to navigate setbacks without panic. They understand that money is a tool, not a source of self-worth. Overcoming scarcity mindset. Many people, even the wealthy, live in fear of losing what they have. True freedom comes from trusting your financial plan and maintaining a long-term perspective. Developing patience and discipline. Impulsive decisions often lead to financial instability. Those who sustain financial freedom know the power of steady, consistent choices over time. Embracing uncertainty with confidence. Life is unpredictable, but financial freedom provides the flexibility to adapt without fear. Aligning money with your values. Financial freedom allows you to prioritize what truly matters. When money is no longer a stressor, it becomes a tool to enhance your purpose and happiness. Define your version of wealth. Wealth isn't just about net worth, it's about the ability to live life on your own terms. For some, that means travel. For others, it means philanthropy or creative pursuits. Create a flexible financial plan. Being financially free doesn't mean being rigid. Adaptability ensures you continue making choices that align with your evolving goals. Invest in experiences, not just assets. Studies show that experiences provide more long-term happiness than material possessions. Use financial freedom to create meaningful memories. Sustaining financial freedom. Financial independence is not a finish line. It requires ongoing effort to maintain. Many people reach their financial goals only to find themselves slipping back into unhealthy habits or unnecessary financial stress. Regular financial check-ins. Stay engaged with your finances by periodically reviewing your budget, investments, and goals. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you can afford more doesn't mean you should spend more. Keeping expenses in check ensures long-term stability. Continue learning. Financial education doesn't stop once you reach independence. Staying informed about market trends and economic shifts helps protect your wealth. Give back. Many financially free individuals find fulfillment in giving, whether through charity, mentorship, or community support. Helping others can add deeper meaning to your wealth. The true measure of freedom. Financial freedom is not about amassing unlimited wealth. It's about having the security and flexibility to live life on your terms. It's about waking up with choices rather than obligations, about pursuing passion over necessity, and about feeling at peace with your financial future. As you continue on this journey, remember, true wealth is not just measured in dollars, but in the freedom, security, and fulfillment it brings. By making intentional choices, maintaining financial mindfulness, and aligning money with your values, you ensure that financial freedom is not just a goal, but a lasting reality. Conclusion: redefining wealth. Wealth is not a number. It is a state of mind. It is the ability to wake up and feel free, knowing that your financial life supports your happiness rather than controls it. By shifting from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence, and from stress to security, you can break free from the money trap and build a life of true financial and emotional wealth. These videos were not just about money. They were about breaking free, taking control, and living fully. Your financial future is in your hands, and the journey to freedom starts now. Before we sign off, I'd like to take a minute to tell you about MikeMyMentor.com. Tired of feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or like success is always just out of reach? You're hustling hard, watching others win while you're still trying to figure it out. You've read the books, watched the videos, maybe even bought a few courses, but nothing's clicking. Why? Because information alone isn't enough. You need real guidance from someone who's been where you are and knows how to get you out. At MikeMyMentor.com, we don't do cookie-cutter advice. We do laser-focused mentorship that cuts through the noise, eliminates confusion, and helps you take powerful, profitable action fast. Whether you're trying to grow your income, launch your business, or just stop wasting time and money on trial and error, Mike gives you the clarity, strategy, and accountability you've been missing. Stop guessing. Start winning. Your next level breakthrough starts with your mentor at MikeMyMentor.com. Link in the description. Financial freedom isn't about having more. It's about needing less and living on your terms. The biggest trap isn't the lack of money. It's the mindset that keeps you stuck in the cycle of stress and scarcity. Now the choice is yours. Will you keep chasing an illusion, or will you redefine wealth, take control, and create a life of true financial independence? If this video helped shift your mindset, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing financial insights. Your journey to financial freedom starts now, so take that first step today. Stay golden, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.